The pole's 150 feet above ground, 17 feet below ground, and the flag is 30 feet by 60 feet, 1,800 square feet. We're looking at some old cars in Sun City, and on the way back down Bell, the beauty dealer has a big one, and I said, that's it. I've got to have that for the museum. And for the people that go by and celebrate America. The public should realize, yes, we're not in Scottsdale, we're at 43rd Avenue in Thunderbird, and that's where I wanted to be. And we got 9.5 acres here with a 107,000 foot building and 177 cars on the floor. And where else can a kid start with $400 and a lot of years later be able to afford to put up a flag like that? We got a big museum. Why not have a big flag?